So I think what's interesting about crypto is that it is an early stage space and a mature space at the same time. The distinction between like idealistic crypto and money crypto, right? So money crypto basically includes like things like airdrop farming, like trying to get APYs, like speculating on stuff, like restaking, creating like DeFi protocols on top of DeFi protocols, trying to create coins that are non-financially sustainable and have like 19% APRs that eventually they break. So like that's one side of things. And then there's also idealistic crypto, which basically talks about more like cool and abstract stuff and like preserving like privacy, building 21st century cyber democracy, decentralized social media, DAOs, new ways for groups of people to govern themselves, and like all of these like really fascinating ideas, right? Basically, like building all kinds of social structures and better versions of both markets and democracy on top of these kind of technological and cryptographic rails, right? Like the stuff on the left kind of is a mature space, like people have been figuring out how to make coins that go up for a while and people kind of know how to do it. The space on the right, I think, is still early, and that's the one that like I actually think like right now has a lot of potential. And the basic reason is, right, that for the space on the left, you don't actually need the blockchain to work very well, right? Basically, if your like transactions cost $20 each, like fine, gamblers are still going to gamble if they have to pay $20 each. For the stuff on the right, like if you want to build, a decentralized Twitter in a way that like people who are like regular people like are actually going to use, like it needs to actually be affordable. It needs to actually have a good user experience, and it has to be like a few seconds.